Question was going okay, that's correct, but you made a mistake at the end. So, what is the correct question when you're asking someone? To know the period of time.
How long have you been feeling like eating pizza?
Yeah, this is correct. Now you can answer it, Pooja. And remember, it must be a veg pizza.
But sir, I like chicken pizza.
So, okay, let her speak. This is the time to answer. Answer him for this question. Did you
I
hear?
have been, yes,
Hmm.
I have been feeling like eat pizza since morning.
When you use feel like, this is just one phrase when you're using two actions. But rest of the actions that you're using, a third action, you have to use ing. I have been feeling like eating pizza
Oh,
this morning.
okay.
So you didn't use ing within eat. That's the reason it's wrong. One, two, three. One, two, three. I don't want members who are not on camera in my class. I also taught you it has its own feel. So did you have this class, Pooja?
No, sir.
What about you, Aisha? Did you have this class? It has its own feel. Come on. Shabnam,
Yes, sir.
how to use it has its own feel in English.
We use it has its own feel. I mean, इसका तो अपना ही मजा है.
You are fined 500.
Why?
You are supposed not to speak in Urdu and Hindi in English class.
Okay.
You can use properly in the sentence, and you can explain by speaking the sentence or explaining the reason why we use. Who can explain?
Sir, what